In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce belly fat with baking soda. Providing various health benefits and considered one of the most beneficial and versatile ingredients ever, baking soda has many uses. Most of us use it or eat it every day in the making of bread or cakes. It's also used in the cosmetic industry and as a natural remedy. Still, very few people know that this ingredient can be used to lose some extra pounds if you have them, of course. Baking soda has been growing in popularity in health forums as it's claimed it helps decrease excess fat around the belly with no side effects. Of course, to get the best results, you must be willing to make changes in your lifestyle as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove those extra pounds and boost your overall health. A lot of people use baking soda for their gastrointestinal problems and other conditions like to reduce inflammation, to balance the pH and promote healing, to boost their energy and performance, to relieve the urinary infection symptoms, and because of its anti-acidic properties. To use baking soda to reduce belly fat, you're going to need to make a slimming drink, and to make this recipe you're going to need 2 tablespoons of organic lemon juice, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 glass of mineral water. To make this very simple remedy, all you need to do is to mix all the 3 ingredients into a blender and make the mixture, and then you have it. It is best to take this early in the morning when you get up on an empty stomach. Drink it until you have achieved the result you desired. This drink will provide you with many beneficial effects, but it will also help your body to fight against a lot of diseases and illnesses. Here are some of the benefits that can be provided from the mixture of lemon juice and baking soda. It can help to reduce stress, it can fight against certain cancers according to various studies, it can regulate the blood pressure, and to see the full benefits you can click here to see a video I've done on it earlier. Also, to provide more beneficial effects, reduce your alcohol, exercise daily, and eat healthier foods, more vegetables and fruits, and be sure to drink 2 litres of water a day and cut out the sugary sweets and drinks. So you're probably thinking, how does baking soda work to reduce belly fat? The thinking behind baking soda is a weight loss method when mixed with a liquid and drunk is due to its properties. It works by fighting acidity in the body. Acidity in the body can lead to weight gain, especially when consuming certain refined and processed foods. Researchers who analysed 10,000 women in the Nurses' Health Study found that weight gain of 10 to 20 pounds was associated with a 3-fold increase in heartburn symptoms and acidity. This simple white powder counteracts the metabolism acidosis and in doing so raises the pH of the body to a more alkaline state. However, there is no scientific study to back up baking soda specifically loses belly fat, so the proof is trying and seeing if you see a difference after a month. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to lose belly fat with baking soda. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 amazing uses, benefits and beauty tips of baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.